This video I am going to create, especially I am what are the challenges of these scrums. So I am going to highlight few challenges. First challenge, the common mindset is there is no need to prepare the proper diagrams and other thing. This is waterfall, this is scrum, this is agile and other thing. If that is not a simple website, another thing is that is a enterprise level application. So that application is over the period of time you have to do the enhancement, you have to provide the support. So lot of things. So it's not like just deliver and it will go into the production. So major life of any software is, you can say, production support and enhancement. Second challenge comes if there is no blueprint of design. I'm not saying just go detail level design like class level, sequence level and other thing, but if a high level design is not available, if that application is not a solo application, most of the application is a composite application. So in composite application, time of integration, lot of challenges comes. Everyone aware about this. Now, I have seen there is a big conflict between architectural board and scrums, but because most of the cases in scrum are, those are the part of the scrums, they are the higher management, like you can say management people and other thing. So they hardly like a architect or technical person should interfere because of their egos and other thing. Most of the case I have find. So here my intention is to tell about the truth. So in case you will not prepare high level of blueprint design, 100% time of integration you are going to suffer. Second mindset is there, whatever the requirement is there, just go and deliver. If you want to go in phase wise manner, there is no issue at all. Once application move into the production, if you think other things we will modify later, so after reaching that application, that version in a production, then lot of cost to change. First thing, that is a production application, you have very less downtime and other thing. In case the original resource who has developed that application has changed, moved out, and some new resources has come, no documentation, nothing is there. So over the period of time, it's created a lot of challenges. Always better to priority. First thing here, also one misunderstanding. Product owner should be SME, subject matter expert. He has to focus about the business functionality. Architect is the person who has to focus about what is the business functionality as well as the low level design and low level deliverables. Sometimes business has to just tell what are their functionality, but user story level priority, architect should has to decide, keeping in mind what are the business priority. If product owner will decide the priority, that's a very wrong concept because they are not very technical and try to understand what would be the sequence. So these are the one major challenge I want to highlight. Second challenge comes during the estimation. Story points, and they are saying this is my velocity, that, and story points every team has to define in a different way. Same application you have to also time to market. If top management has decided like this application should go live in 6 months, or so how they have come, some architect or somebody has already done some kind of a high level estimation. So what architect has done the estimation, depending upon that, velocity should measure. Suppose for some functionality, architect has defined like 10 days is sufficient. If any team is taking 15 days, or say some other functionality, again he has decided the 10 days and a second team is taking 9 days. So depending upon what is the baseline estimation, velocity should be measured. Not like because some team small they used to mark as a story point. So same kind of nature of work. Some team has a 10 story points, some will be 10, 20, 25 story points. So that should not be measurement of the velocity. So there are two challenges now I am trying to focus. First thing, maintain a proper document, because if you are not maintaining, I have seen what kind of challenges, because I have 20-year experience in the IT. I know all these things. I have worked in multiple applications, and especially if that application move into the production, then it's become horrible. Even though if you want to modernize that application, nothing is there. Just go again, you have to go make a document, design another thing, try to understand that application, then you can modernize, and try to use less technologies. Because of using too much technologies, I have seen whenever we try to modernize that application, lot of challenges or enhancement of that functionality, because there is no proper design, and design is a very creative work. Very too much information also create a problem, because nobody will read if you are creating 100-page design. So what level of design is sufficient, that's also a creative work, and that should be there. So just I want to highlight these 2 points, and hopefully everyone will take care about this measure, and architects should be more participate. Second challenge is BA. If business analyst concept in project based company is nothing. If they are subject matter expert, they should play a product owner. But just simply they used to write an English speaking document, that is not going to solve. In product based company, it makes sense, because don't say BA, you say better word is SME, subject matter expert. But in project based company, what client is saying, just somebody is documenting. If architect is not involving, again architect has to go with BA, and then again BA used to go with client. So unnecessary one chain used to make. Always better, don't involve the BA, involve the architect, so that during the discussion, architect can think about the design. Design is very creative work. Design is not like just clearing the TOGAF and clearing all the certification. Design is how much you are involved that problems, requirement, then you can do the better design. Only some cases, architect is new, he is not aware about the terminology, how business people are discussing. That time to help architect, business expert should be required. So BA concept is also misunderstood, and most of the BA, even though I did their work, I prepare the document so that developer can understand. So if you go in Jackman, so Jackman is also required, like type to top to down, like stakeholders. Some is they only want a contextual level, then developer want a very detailed levels and other thing. So I hope small considerations what I have mentioned, just take, then developer life is also good, architect life is also happy, and everybody will happy. If you don't, just take it. I have seen agile coach comes, agile doesn't say this, that, and other thing. Nobody thinks what was the root cause behind the agile, what is the most is can say intention or motivation behind that. Think about the solution in that way. So I hope my these small tips will help you a lot. In case anybody has any doubt, feel free, contact me. I'm going to also share this link in my LinkedIn. Thanks for my watching video. Okay.